Metabo recently released a brand new brushless 1/4 inch impact driver that has some upgraded features and was redesigned for heavy duty construction use. It promises to deliver durability and precision while weighing only 3.1 pounds with a 4.0 amp hour battery. And after using this, I can tell you that the new impact mechanism is very nice and powerful. It is night and day over the older brushed model when comparing speed and torque. It also features a robust die-cast aluminum gear housing that is optimized to give you durability and also heat dissipation. Metabo makes these units in their own factory, and they do their own heat treatment and machining. And they are super proud of their die-cast aluminum housing and gearbox. In fact, the gearing on this impact has been engineered so it is extremely tight tolerances. They're very proud of it. One interesting fact that you may not know about Metabo is that they use their own blend to make their tool housings out of it. And they do that to make it more durable and less susceptible to breaking. You know, if you drop it or something. They use a 70% polymer for flexibility and a 30% fiberglass mixture for strength. And that's on their housings. And like many brushless tools, Metabo also uses advanced electronics, and that's to prevent the tool from overheating and overcharging and stuff like that. The speed and tightening torque on this tool are connected and delivered by a dial at the base of the tool. The dial has 12 settings, 12 level settings. The lower the speed, the lower the tightening torque. The tightening torque is influenced in a couple of different ways on this tool. First of all, you just dial it in 1 through 12. You can use the S mode, which is a little S with a screw on it. And the S mode is a tool adjustment on the tool adjustment knob, and that's for self-tapping screws and those like rubber washer screws they use on metal roofing. Metabo calls it automatic power shift, or APS. And APS basically supports working with self-tapping screws. The electronics in the tool sense when the screw threads engage and they slow down. And that gives us, the user, more control to prevent overstripping or overdriving. And then the third way to control it is with the variable speed trigger. We all know that. The tool has a 2 LED light located on either side of the adjustment knob down by the battery. That light stays on for about 12 seconds after the trigger is released, and it casts approximately 6x6 round shadow, not a shadow, round light pattern around the bit. We used the Metabo Impact for fastening framing and LVL materials recently, 2 different jobs. Super impressed with the speed and durability and power of this tool. It was smooth. It has a no load speed of 2,900 RPMs and a maximum impact rate of 4,000 BPMs and 100 foot-pounds of torque. One thing that I noticed that the driver has very, very little rotational torque and almost no vibration. It is, it's unbelievable. And as far as price goes, the kit is going to run about $399. It's going to come with a kit, 2 4 amp hour batteries, and a charger. Bare tool will run you about $199. When I first started using this Metabo impact wrench driver, I thought that these 4.0 batteries are just not going to last for what I was doing. And wow, I was wrong. I found the tool lightweight, powerful, super comfortable to use. In fact, the best trade-off of this tool is its size to speed application. It is smooth impact driver. It is one that is going to become a go-to for us in remodeling. Look guys, that's it. Super short review on this. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit that post notification bell. We'll see you next time.